Hello guys, in this video I will try to give some reasons why some traders and some investors are interested in these new companies. Why is that? Okay, so we try to just to see some of these reasons. So traders and investors buy IPOs because of many reasons. Okay, we try just to give some of the reasons. Fast growth. We begin with the first one. Some stocks, for example, this is just an example. Okay, it's not all true for every IPO. Let's say a stock is $10, it goes to $70 in few months. Okay, and this is a big deal. If you put, for example, 10K, okay, and by 6 months you have 70,000K, it means, let's say, 700%. This is true, and we have examples that are not just 700, but you can have more than 700% in some stocks, but not all of them. Second, famous brand companies. It means you have heard about Facebook and you use it before, let's say, 2012. It means before the Facebook becomes IPO. When it was private, some people use Facebook. Okay? Now, when Facebook gets to the stock market, people are excited to buy these new brand companies. Okay? And for me, in 2012, I have a recommendation to buy Facebook at that time. But when the Facebook was going down, no one believes me. And when it is over, it is over. My videos from 2012, 2013, 2014, 15, 16, always I make trades of Facebook, and I have made a lot of money from Facebook. It's just because I just have a strategy to follow stocks. Now we have Alibaba, which is a new IPO also, which is Chinese company that goes to get listed into USA here, and the stock is doing so good. Apple before and Google without everybody knows about Apple and Google because they are brand name, very big brand names on the whole world. Google before, okay, before it was just an IPO, it was so weak and it was so no one knows about it. It's just a small company. It's just a software to search. At that time, it has no value at all. But see now how Google and like Apple, like Facebook, how big they are now in the stock market. Now, the other thing is new small companies that have the potential to become big companies. You know, when just the stock, for example, it was $10. The company is still small, okay? The investors and the traders, they have bought this company at $10. It's a small company, the price is small, but this small becomes big in few months or few years, okay? And this is how these stocks, they were small and then they become big. Now Google at first it wasn't big, Apple it wasn't big, Alibaba, Facebook and any other company, they were small. Because when they enter to the stock market, it's just the beginning of their brand name to be so well known. Some people, for example, become millionaires. Okay? For example, if you have bought 100,000 of Facebook in 2012, now you will have around $1,800,000. It's just in 5 years. Okay? And it is a lot of money. Okay, so all these reasons, the people they like this IPO, but the thing is not all the IPOs that become good. Okay, so as I explained here, these are some reasons the traders and investors they jump when there is a new company, it's very known, and you know there is like a bubble because of this company, and they in the television, in websites, okay? They talk too much about it and they see if there is a success of these companies, people will make a lot of money. But you see, it's not all the companies that become famous, and it's not all of you guys that you can make money from it. There are some rules, and there are some, if you are a trader, you should know how to trade them. If you are an investor, you should have solid information about them, and you stay years in order to see the results, either good or bad, because investing is to bet on something for many years and to wait. For trading is better because you will not stay many years. Okay, so we have finished with why people buy these IPOs. We try to see in the next video how to know these IPOs. It means you want to just to see what are these IPOs and how did you discover them, and is there a calendar, for example, to know these companies, and all that stuff. You will see it next video.